Our next topic is making a chart. So data can be present in a chart format. So chart is a simple and attractive method to present data. So when the data is presented graphically in the chart format, it is very easy to understand. So in this chart, you can able to use two type of chart. One is column chart and bar chart. So column means it is a vertical shape of charts, and bar chart is a horizontal shape of charts. So now we are going to see how to create a chart in Excel worksheet. Now we are going to see how to create a chart in our Excel sheet. So chart is a simplest way to present our data in graphical format. Okay, so it is easy to understand too. So now we are going to create a chart. So after completing our score sheet with the roll number, name, marks, with each subject marks, total and percentage, now finally we are going to represent that in a chart format. Okay, so for that, in my Excel sheet you can see making a chart sheet. So I have created a complete score sheet with 7 students with their name and subject. Okay, and also with the percentage of it. How I found the percentage? So you can see the total divided by 3. 3 means number of subject. So that by using the formula, I created the percentage here. So now I am going to show you how to create a chart. Okay, so select the name of the student along with the mark. So I am just selecting the name and also the mark, 70, 45 and 54. So click on Insert tab, and in the Insert tab, in Chart group, you can see different types of charts there. So column chart, bar chart. So column chart, it is a vertical chart. Bar means it is an horizontal one. So I am using column chart. Okay, there is different type of column charts are there, 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone, like that. So I am choosing 2D column chart. So here is the chart presented for one student mark. Okay, so David's mark is this. In the first, second and third subject he scored. Okay, so number 1 he scored 70 mark, it is max. Number 2 45, it is English, and number 3 Malayalam 54. So the highest mark in max for David. So now I am going to show you with the subject along with the student name and mark. Okay, so select the name, subject and then one student and click on, now I am going to show you how bar chart come. So click on bar chart. So now you see, now you can able to identify what is the difference between column chart and bar chart. So you can see the bar chart here, Malayalam, English, max. You can see the subject, and along with that the bar is present here for David. Okay, so this is column chart and the next one is bar chart. So now I am going to show you for the entire student. Okay, so select all the students in your class like this and then click on insert, go to column chart and click. So now you can able to see in 3 different colors, for blue for max and red for English and green for Malayalam. Okay, for each student separate chart is presented here. So on seeing this chart, you can easily find out who is the class topper. So here Suraj is the class topper, reaches nearly 100. So this is the easy way to present the data in our Excel sheet. Clear, children, how to create a chart in your Excel sheet? So thank you, children. Thank you for watching this video. So here is a small activity to you. So prepare a score sheet for 10 students with 5 subjects and find the total and percentage by using the formula. And insert a chart for each student. Okay. So this is the activity to you. So thank you. Thank you so much.